Welcome back to the Pterodactyls of 587. 87's coming in. Yes, we're right there. They got a clear signal on the approach to Stratford West. It is really blowing out there tonight.
Your attention, please. We would like to remind Via Rail Canada passengers to keep their baggage with them at all times. For your safety and security, please do not leave your belongings unattended. Thank you. Votre attention, s'il vous plaît. Via Rail Canada souhaite rappeler aux passagers de conserver leur bagage en tout temps et de ne jamais laisser leurs effets personnels sans surveillance. Merci.
Here they come. It is really snowing outside, I'll tell you that. We have nothing but snow all night, actually, so... hopefully they change something on this train. At least 918 has to be swapped. Hopefully this week. But I can't quite see the number board because just kind of about the way that the number board, that the regular headlights just kind of get the fog in. Kind of know what I mean, and I don't know. Guess I don't know if the number board's on or not. And they had the lights out thinking 568 was here. What? No 568 right now. Because once 568 was all done, they left Light Power heading east.
SM87, doors right side on stop at Stratford, over. Open right side, full stop Stratford on 87.
It's 918, you can hear the ticking. No bell tonight. Yeah, there's no bell on. And they just straight up make her stop. Station stop should not take long here. The lens. Oh, for all the snow. And are they out? Yes, they are. Away they go.
Engineer on 8707.
Gosh. no, it's still no bell. Bell not working tonight? Kind of a cool engineer on board to give a nice wave. There they go. I read the gallons on 6417, 6250 on the gallons. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you next time.
Station 8861 crossing deactivated.